Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jamie. Please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. This is the breakup we're going to make. I've already made one. I'm using a 3.0 millimeter hook. So what you're going to do, you're going to first pick a slip knot. So that is me making my slip knot. Then we are going to chain 2. After chaining 2, you're going to put double crochets, 3 double crochets in that same very hole. So that is 1 double crochet. So basically double crochet is you yarn over, put in the hole, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 1, 2, then you chain 2, put 3 double crochets, same hole. After doing the last double crochet, chain 2, and put 3 more double crochets in that same very hole. Yeah, so that is my second double crochet. Double crochet, chain 2, then you're going to pull the thread and you're going to join on top of the first double crochet that you made, not the chain 2 but the first double crochet. In this project we are not, the 2 double crochets are not going to act as a double crochet, so you're only taking the double crochet. So you join, chain 2, turn your work, and you're going to put 2 double crochets in that chain 2 space, in the space that you've put there. Then you chain 2, put 2 double crochets in the same hole. Then after you're going to do double crochets on top of every double crochet. So when you reach the chain 2 space, you're going to double crochet 2. You're going to put 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Yep, that is what I'm doing exactly. Then after, you're going to put double crochets in all the double crochets there. It is 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. Yeah, then when you reach again the chain 2 space, put 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. Then you're going to put double crochets in all the double crochet spaces till you reach the last one. So here, this is my last double crochet. You're going to connect your work using a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Remember, we are not using the 2 double crochets are not acting as a double crochet. So there I have joined. As you can see, there are 3 sides. It is going to be triangular like. Chain 2, turn your work. Remember to turn your work whenever you're finishing your project and you're beginning a new line. And then when you reach in the middle, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and you're going to be using those the chain 2 spaces to increase. As you can see, my project is increasing from that space because I am adding in double crochets in that space. Make sure your number of rows is the same as the other breakup. So I'm done with my 1 breakup. I'm going to single crochet. So what you're going to do, you're going to get the middle, like where you're going to end from, the midpoint. That's where you're going to join your thread. So you're going to make single crochets. After making single crochets, you will then do half double crochets, then double crochets in that space between the middle and the end of the breakup. So how to get these, that's the number of double crochets and half double crochets and single crochets you're going to do. You're going to get that distance. You're going to get those you're going to count those double crochets and you divide it by 3. If the double crochets are 15, you're going to divide 15 by 3, so that is 5. You're going to put single crochets, half double crochets and double crochets 5 each. Then when you reach like the end, we are going to join it as one double crochet together with the other bracket. So you're going to join it together. You make a double crochet that is joining all the brackets. Then you put double crochets, half double crochets and single crochets to the midpoint of that bracket. So that is me doing my double crochets. After the double crochets, you're going to put half double crochets, as you can see I'm already doing half double crochets. So after the half double crochets, you're going to put single crochets up to the midpoint. So after doing that, you're going to chain one and cut your yarn. Then after, you're going to join your yarn on the side. So you're joining on the sides. What you're doing, you're going to chain to a number that you want to fit your back. We're not making the behind straps, sorry, the behind part. So you're going to chain up to the desired length, then you put double crochets all the way through. So you're going to put double crochet in the 4th chain from hook. Then you'll put double crochets all the way through up to the end of the project. As you can see where I'm pointing, I'm going to put chains there. The number of chains that you put on the other side is the number you're going to put there. So by the time you reach it, you're going to find that you've already put the number of chains the other side to this side. So you continue doing your double crochets till the end. When you reach the end, like when you finish, you're going to chain 3. When you turn your work, then you put double crochets in every single double crochet. That the chain 3 is going to act as a double crochet itself. So you're going to go back and forth with double crochets till you reach your desired length. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put a design down. You're going to skip 3. In the 4th chain, you're going to put double crochets. So you're going to put 6 double crochets in that same hole. So after putting 6 double crochets, you're going to skip 3. So 1, 2, 3. In the 4th chain, you're going to put a slip stitch. You'll see the design is already coming. So you're going to put the skip 3. And the 4th chain from the hook, you're going to put 6 double crochets again in that same hole. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to put 6 double crochets in one hole, slip stitch in the 4th stitch, skip 3 again, and put 6 double crochet in that another hole. So you skip 3, put 6 double crochet in that hole. That is 1 double crochet. 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, 4 double crochets, 5 double crochets, and 6 double crochets. So after you skip 3, slip stitch, skip 3, 6 double crochet, like that up to the end of the double crochets. So now we're going to make the side part, the part we are going to put the strings. So you're going to put 2 double crochets in each space. As you can see, I'm putting 2 double crochets in each of the double crochet spaces there. This is the part for making the strands, for putting the strands, sorry. So I'm trying to make a foundation for it. So when you reach at the end, you're going to chain 3, turn your work, put 1 double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, 1 double crochet. Here we're creating holes. As you can see, I'm already making 1 hole there. So you put like 3 holes or 4 holes. It's a number of holes that you want. So you continue double crochet. Then when you reach the middle, you chain 2, skip 2. Then you continue up to the end. So I have made my holes, as you can see. So what you're going to do, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and you're going to put single crochets in all the double crochet spaces, and in the hole you're going to put 2 double crochets. Then you continue the other side, putting single crochets just to make your work neat. So you're going to do this till you reach the upper part there, that part that I've showed you. So when I've reached there, I'm going to put chains. These chains are for the strap. So you're going to do the number of chains that you need to make this a long strap, because it has to go behind and make a crisscross. So you have to make a long strap. Yeah. So when you get the number of chains, you're going to go back, slip stitching, so that you get like a bigger chain. You go back, slip stitching till you reach the last chain of that strap. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. You put slip stitches all the way through till the last chain. So when you reach down, so you'll make a few half double crochets. As you can see, I'm making, that is my 3rd, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, you make 6 half double crochets. Chain the number of chains that you need to complete that break up. As you can see, I'm chaining. You chain and join it from there, as you can see. So when you get done with your chains, you join up to that midpoint. So I got done with the number of chains I have joined, and you complete the other side the way I have completed the other side. Yeah, so that's our completed project. So now what you have to do is you have to get those yarns that are out, join them together so that it doesn't spoil the project, and then you cut. So we are done with our project. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video, and tag me when you post. Thank you.